Hey guys, it's Mike and I'm back at it again with another Tesla Model Y video. Yeah, Mike, because that's what we need, another Tesla Model Y video. That's exactly what we need. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, I want to address the fact that this channel finally reached 1,000 subscribers, and it's all thanks to you guys for subscribing to the channel. I appreciate every single one of you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys. So recently I just made a video on all the issues with my Model Y. And in this video, we are going to go over the issues that they fixed and the issues that they didn't fix that they are going to fix later because they are waiting for parts on order. But before we get into that, we're gonna go ahead and wash the car first, make sure it's all good and clean, and then we're gonna go over all the issues that were fixed. Done. Okay guys, got a little tired from that car wash and it's the next day, so now let's get into the issues that the Tesla Service Center fixed. So they made adjustments to the headlights, and as you can see, the headlights are now aligned perfectly. So the next issue that they fixed was the misalignment of the rear seat. They actually fixed this by adding spacers underneath the seat for a better fitment, and as you can see, the fitment is on point now and it's perfectly aligned. The next issue was an easy fix for them, was the A-pillar passenger side. Had some dirt on it. They used some interior cleaner and they got that dirt right off. So those were all the things that were fixed by the Tesla Service Center. Now let's go over the things that they didn't fix yet because they're still waiting on parts. As you can see, the hood is still bent in. They had to actually order a whole brand new hood. And same thing with the door panel as well, how it was misaligned. They did not fix that scratch on the door panel. They're gonna go ahead and wait for the new door panel to come in so they could align it perfectly with the brand new hood. And as for the 2 scratches on the rear diffuser, they actually couldn't take that off, so they went ahead and ordered a new diffuser. For the charge port, there was no way they could align that charge port. They actually needed to order a new charge port. And real quick, I want to give a shout out to my referral contacts. I have 2 referrals from Mark and Solip. I appreciate you guys for ordering your Tesla and using my referral link code. I appreciate you guys. I'm going to be using these free supercharging miles for road trips. And on those road trips, I'm going to be creating content for this channel. All right, guys, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit the like button. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to hit the subscribe button for more videos on the Model Y. Plenty of more Model Y content coming. And if you are thinking about getting your own very first Tesla or another Tesla, please be sure to hit that referral link down in the description below for your free 1,000 supercharging miles. Until next time, guys, peace.